Hello, everybody. Hope that you're doing well. Uh, Welcome to RT Test Tip Tuesday. Gave an exam to my first year students today. This is one of the questions that was on there. Ended up being a high mess question, so wanted to kind of go over this. I know some of the other questions that we've gone over the last couple of weeks have been a little more involved, but want to basically the test tip today is to make sure that you carefully read and understand truly what it is that's being asked of you by the question. So if we see this question here, it says, which of the following terms defines the amount of gas the lung contains after maximal inspiratory effort? So we review, you've got four lung volumes, four capacities. Two or more of those volumes are going to make up said capacity. Um, and it's important to know which one of those volumes make up which capacity. So uh, we all know that all four volumes are going to be your total lung capacity. Then three volumes, your inspiratory reserve volume, your tidal volume, your expiratory reserve volume, make up your vital capacity. Your inspiratory capacity is your inspiratory reserve volume and your tidal volume. Your functional residual capacity is your expiratory reserve volume and your residual volume. So it's important to understand those just to kind of give you an idea of how they may play. I know I've done one example where we've mathematically calculated some stuff, but here's just paying attention to the words and what's truly being asked. So when we think about a maximum inspiratory effort, you tend to breathing in as much as you can so you know that you have fulfilled your inspiratory reserve volume or your tidal volume and your inspiratory reserve volume. We know those two volumes make up the capacity. So a lot of individuals would bite, as happened today, would bite on answer C as the correct answer choice. So A is residual volume, B is functional residual capacity, C is inspiratory capacity, while D is the TLC or your total lung capacity. If we're looking for the absolute best answer, make sure that you read carefully. The question says, which of the following terms defines the amount of gas the lung contains after maximum inspiratory effort? Yes, we did inhale to inspiratory capacity. We certainly did. However, if we're looking at the amount of gas that the lung contains after maximal inspiratory effort, at the end of a full exhalation or maximum inhalation, you have inside of the lungs residual volume, expiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, and inspiratory reserve volume. All four volumes make up the entire total lung capacity. So, test tip for the day today, make sure you read closely what's truly being asked of you. Thank you all for your time and attention. I hope you have a good day.